Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a whimsical addition to your garden decor, the What on Earth climbing squirrel figurine. This little guy isn't just any garden ornament. It's practically the best squirrel launcher you can get for your outdoor space. This figurine is designed to bring a playful touch to your yard, featuring a lifelike squirrel equipped with climbing gear, including a tiny safety helmet. It's made from durable, weather-resistant resin, ensuring it can withstand any season without cracking or fading. Perfect for squirrel enthusiasts, this figurine adds charm and character to any garden. Makes a unique present for any occasion, especially for those who love squirrels. Now, let me show you how easy it is to set up. You simply find your favorite spot, whether it's a tree branch or a fence, and use the built-in keyhole to secure it in place. Voila! Instant charm added to your outdoor space. While we won't dive into specific reviews today, it's worth noting this product has received rave feedback for its giftable nature and sturdy build. Customers love how it brings smiles to their faces every time they step into the garden. You might be wondering how it stacks up against other garden sculptures. Plus, it's Amazon's choice for outdoor statues, which speaks volumes about its popularity. Whether you're sprucing up your own garden or searching for a unique gift, the What on Earth climbing squirrel figurine is a top contender. With its durable build, charming design, and easy installation, it's no wonder why it's considered the best squirrel launcher in the market today. If you're ready to add a touch of whimsy to your garden, check out the link in the description below to get yours today. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews like this. Thanks for watching.